Hey guys, as you see in the picture, let's binge on Zepto's exciting offers. Interested? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? First, let's see as how to renew Zepto Daily Pass at ₹1. Go to Zepto app, click on the profile icon, and you will see this kind of interface appearing before you. You can click on Renew Daily at ₹1. Once you click on that, you'll have this more options pop up. You can click on that and choose your online payment mode. Once you choose, your pass would be renewed for 15 days and you can enjoy the benefits and place an order with no minimum order value clause, right? So if you want any invoice of that, you can go for it as shown in the video. Now let's check out exciting offers on Zepto. As you see here, this is a combo of family seats. You're getting at 50% off. You can check out. Okay, besides this, you can use free cash available on Zepto, the Zepto Super Saver. As you all know, here you can see ice cream. You're getting just at 70 rupees, which is at 50% off. You can check out. Here are all the seeds which will boost your overall health, which I need not tell of the benefits specially, right? So you can add them to your desserts or portraits or to your art of flower and have them. Here is Pigeon stainless steel cooker. It's a combo bag. You can check out the offer on Zepto. It's at 41% off. You have 1 year warranty, as you see here. So it's a induction and gas stove based cooker. It's a good quality cooker. As you see here, it's a durable stainless steel. You have easy grip handles, but compared to the old cooker, this cooker is quick in making meals. As you see here, we'll check out 3 liters, 2 liters and 5 liters cooker. So here, make sure you take off the steam before you open the cooker, otherwise it will burst. As you see in the picture, we have cooked rice in just 15 minutes of time with 1 whistle. The whistle sound is not loud. It's a soft whistle. Not only rice, you can go for cooking porridges, curries and desserts, and it don't burn or stick to the bottom as shown in the picture. But make sure according to the bottom of the cooker, you switch the flames to low and high or medium. As you see here, we have made pulao in 5 liters of cooker and it came out well. It's super delicious. So it saves your energy and time, and because of quick cooking, you can retain the nutrients of food, right? It is super healthy. Now we'll check out this free gift. This is a fast cable from Basics brand, which you can use it for your iPhone. This free gift you can unlock when you add the products to the cart worth ₹649, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. It's a good quality cable, as you all see here, and you have one more free gift. This also you can unlock, which I'll show you now. You can go to Zepto app. On Zepto Super Saver, there's an offer of 1500 free cash plus 125 free cash on every order, and 1500 free cash would be credited when you place orders of 5. Okay, do get back and go to Zepto, click on Win Rewards as shown in the picture and spin the wheel. Click on Claim Now. Here I have got Bombay shavings offer. You can add to the cart the trimmer. So once you add to the cart the trimmer products, you can apply the coupon as shown in the picture and get it 999. So enjoy this offer and check out. You can go back now and click on 80% icon and check with the ice cream's exciting offers and clearance sale offers as well, and go to view cart. After adding all the products to the cart, here you can unlock free gift box as shown in the picture by adding items or products whichever you like to the cart. Here you can unlock one more free gift as shown in the picture. You pick or choose any of these three free gifts and make sure it has been added to the cart as shown in the picture. Now apply free cash. But if you want 1500 free cash, make sure you slide to Zepto Super Saver and apply the coupon here. Here are 5 coupons as shown in the picture. Whichever you want, you can apply. And make sure you don't forget to apply free cash as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.